Guys, someone was trying to bomb us. It is too crazy. No, that one. That would make the penguin so good. Okay, sino nagbabomba? Eh, sum if nagbomba sila sumasakit na yung tenga ko tapos yung heart ko eh. Atay lang ba? I'm coming to. Sorry guys, someone was trying to bomb her. That was crazy. What the dick? We're out. Yes. I hope it's not them kasi nabibili lang sila ng tubig, ba?
Sorry na.
Sumakit naman yung tenga ko. Tapos,
Yung buhok mo ayos mo.
putit naman yung mga nabubomba. Ayaw ko na yun. Sino ba ng bomba eh? If you hold this today, you are absolutely gonna go in the video. I'm actually right here. I'm going to show my house. This is where I am right now. This is my house. See it? If you see this, I am actually right here. Right here. If we don't hear mouse. So, I'm just a big fan of Cindy. Oh my god. I'm absolutely right here. I'm coming. But here's my house, so everything seems to be clear, right? Just eat balot the last time. Balot was the Asian.
Yun nga, eh. Namuti ka naman pinagbubugbog dyan.
Yeah! Sumakit naman yung tenga ko! Guys, if we hold this again, you need to tell this to me at the comments.
Mga nakainom, mga kabataan. Siyempre, kung yung tapat pa.
Sumakit na yung tenga ko! Beep!
Pinagalit lang na namin kayo ngayon, hindi ka pa nasusukan doon.
So bye! Bye-bye! Ang wakas.
Diyan